555. Angel number 555 suggests that wonderful new opportunities will miraculously appear with help from your angels. When you live your life being true to yourself and honest with others, you manifest positive energy and desired result and outcomes. Call upon the angels whenever you wish, as they are always with you. You can also expect some positive new additions to your home and your family, and these are to be appreciated and accepted with grace, as when you have an attitude or gratitude, more good comes your way. Try 333 to receive blessings. You have been through 1,000 things in your life people don't even know about. You have experienced things that have shook you, changed you, broke you, built you and taught you to be stronger than you ever thought you had the ability to be. And you are who you are for all of it. The truth is, you are the only one that knows everything you have been through, everything you have gained and lost, all in the same lifetime. Every high and low your soul has lived through. Every journey that built and layered the bones that now shape your spine. So why would you now, after surviving this far, after living through some of the darkest night alone, await to be saved by someone else? 6666. I choose to be patient. I choose to trust the process. Everything I visualized, intended, prayers about and worked on is in the process of manifesting. I will remain centered and at peace. I will be strong and continue to believe. It is all about to happen for me. Type 666 to affirm. You are powerful enough to heal through your hurting. You are brave enough to rebuild after you are breaking. Because the truth is, you deserve to be the one to save yourself. You deserve to be the one to save yourself. Please don't ever forget this. The path ahead will become clear, and what once felt like a battle you would never get through will become a story about how you found your truth. As difficult as it may be while you are walking through the valley, take your time. Don't rush through the part of your journey. Don't run from the moment that you are in. Walk with confidence, knowing that you are here to learn and grow as a person. Meet your current circumstances with a heart that is ready to experience it all. A heart that's open to discovering something new. You choose to be here when you took the leap of faith, and when you left the familiar, you took a bet on yourself and choose to search for more meaning, more purpose, and more answers. This very desire to uncover your potential and purpose had brought you to where you are now. So the next time someone judges you based on a small part of what they see and how they interpret that, remember who you are. Remember how much you have overcome, and smile and keep walking, because you don't have a single thing to prove to anyone else. You have already proved so much to yourself, who murdered through storms that people did not even see because of how you carried yourself. Sometimes all you really want is for someone to understand how you are feeling, but it is so hard to express your exact emotions. But how can you when you are barely able to put them in words? How can when you don't know what to make of everything that you have experienced? But still you want another person to listen to words that fluttered through the beating of your heart and say, I know how you feel and I am here for you. Still you want someone to be there for you as you try to figure out the mess that has been made of your life. Still you wish someone was by your side with loud breathing through their lungs for you as you tread through the trenches of your edge. Still you want to someone to try to understand how you feeling, even if you can't put in words. Still you wish you had someone shoulder to lay your head on and they hand to hold, just this once. 10 If you are seeing this divine sign from the higher realm, this is your direct confirmation that you will make it. Believe it, no matter what it looks like right now. God is going to send blessings, solutions, healing, love and positive change to your life. Amen. Type 1010 if you believe. 222. You deserve every blessing that is coming your way. You have worked so hard on your personal growth and all your efforts are now abundantly rewarded. Type 222 if you agree. Your angels are saying today you will manifest your desires if you stay focused, stay in alignment with the universe and your highest self and never give up on your dreams. Your angels and guides have seen your work so hard to get to where you are today, and they want to let you know that you are endlessly and boundlessly supported and loved. Life is full ups and downs, and they want you to know you are doing a good job, passing all your tests and learning your lessons. Good things are ahead. Stay inspired. Thank you.